Most people think you need to be a tech genius or have a lot of money to start an AI business. That's a lie. In 2026, there are students, beginners, and everyday people using nothing but AI tools and their phones to run simple online businesses and get paid consistently. In this video, I'll break down 5 AI business ideas that beginners can realistically start in 2026. I'll show you how each one works, why people are paying for it, and why it's actually beginner-friendly. And make sure you watch till the end, because the final idea is the easiest way to start if you don't have skills, confidence, or experience yet. Let's get into it. Number 1. Start a faceless YouTube AI channel. If you've ever dreamed of earning money online but felt held back because you're shy, don't like being on camera, or think you need a perfect voice, this idea is for you. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, open your laptop or phone, and see that your YouTube channel got views overnight and money in your balance. All this without recording anything yourself, hiring anyone, or showing your face. That's the power of an AI-assisted YouTube channel. Here's how it works. Pick a topic people already love, such as interesting facts, life lessons, famous stories, motivation, or even weird historical moments. These are things people click on every day. Use AI to write your video script. You only need to edit the final result so as to infuse your channel's unique voice. Use an AI voice generator that sounds real, not robotic, so your audience hears a friendly, natural voice. Pair it with visuals, simple stock clips, animated text, or AI images, so the video looks professional. Uploading consistently. About 3 videos a week is enough to start seeing traction. Here's the inspiring part. Channels like this are already earning money from YouTube ads. Some beginners have made their first $100 to $500 within just a few months of uploading regularly. Others have even crossed the $1,000 per month mark as their library of videos grows. This isn't magic. It's consistent effort plus smart use of tools. And the best part? You're building something that gets paid again and again every time someone watches your video. But ad revenue isn't the only way people are getting paid with AI. In fact, some are skipping YouTube entirely and getting paid much faster with method number 2. Number 2. Start an AI UGC business. UGC stands for User-Generated Content. These are videos or posts that feel real and personal, like a normal person is sharing their opinion, experience, or review. You've probably seen videos on TikTok or Instagram where someone casually shows or talks about a product. That's UGC. People trust it because it feels authentic, not like a commercial. In 2026, you can create UGC videos entirely with AI. You don't need to be an influencer, show your face, or even talk on camera. AI can do most of the work for you. Here's how it works. Step by step. Pick a product or niche, anything people buy online: skincare, gadgets, kitchen tools, books, apps, or fitness products. The key is to choose something that people actually want and use consistently. Use AI to create your influencer or presenter. Apps like Synthesia, Pictory, and Rephrase.ai let you create realistic AI avatars. You type what they will say, pick a voice, and the AI makes the avatar speak your script. Enhance your video using apps like CapCut, InVideo, or Descript to add captions, text effects, and transitions. Even small edits make your video look professional and engaging. Once your videos are ready, you can sell them to brands directly. Many small businesses need daily content for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube and pay for ready-to-post videos. Alternatively, you can promote a product in your AI video and include a link. When people buy using your link, you earn a commission. Here's why this works so well. People love authentic-looking content and trust it more than polished ads. AI makes it easier and faster than ever to create these videos consistently. Even if you've never made a video before, you can get started in just a few hours. 1 or 2 videos can earn your first commissions, and as you create more, your income grows. Over time, you can scale this into a full-time business, all without showing your face. This business is perfect for beginners because it's low risk, flexible, and scalable. The next business is one of my personal favorites because it's creative, beginner-friendly, and scalable. Number 4. Start an AI print-on-demand store. If you've ever seen t-shirts, mugs, posters, or phone cases online and thought, I wish I could sell that, this business makes it possible without holding inventory or paying upfront for products. Here's how it works. Step 1. Start by choosing a target audience. Then pick the products you want to sell. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, or posters are all popular POD items. Step 2. Next, create your designs with AI. All you need to do is describe what you want in words, and AI will generate the design. You can tweak it to make it look perfect, but most of the work is done automatically. Some beginner-friendly tools are Canva AI image and text tools, Midjourney or DALL-E, which generates high-quality, unique artwork based on your ideas, Looka, which creates logos or stylized graphics for products. Step 3. Link your designs to print-on-demand platforms. Popular options include Printful, which integrates with Shopify, Etsy, Redbubble, or Teespring. Once your designs are live on these platforms, your job is mostly done. The platforms handle printing, packaging, and shipping, so you don't have to worry about inventory or upfront costs. All you need to do is focus on creating new designs, experimenting with different styles, and paying attention to what sells. The best part? This business can run on autopilot. Once a product starts selling, it can continue generating income with little to no extra effort. You can spend your time creating more designs or even exploring new niches, while the pod platforms handle the rest. With AI doing most of the creative heavy lifting, beginners can get started fast, and even simple designs can turn into steady sales. Moving on to the next, which is probably the easiest and fastest AI business to start in 2026, especially if you're new to online business. Number 5. Create AI-generated viral videos. The best part is that you don't need to show your face, speak on camera, or even write a script from scratch. The idea is simple. You create short, eye-catching videos that people can't help but watch and share. These are the videos you see on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts that blow up overnight. With AI, you can make them in hours instead of days. Step 1. Pick a topic people love. Viral videos usually fall into categories that are fun, shocking, or helpful. For example, amazing facts or did you know content, life hacks or quick tips, short motivational clips, funny moments or relatable situations, trending news or celebrity updates. The key is to choose something that people naturally want to watch and share. Step 2. Next, let AI generate the content. Use AI tools to write scripts. ChatGPT or Jasper AI can help you make engaging, snappy content. Generate visuals or animations for your video using tools like Pictory, Runway, or Synthesia. Add voiceovers using AI voices from WellSaid Labs, Murph.ai, or Play.ht to make your video sound professional without recording yourself. With these tools, you can turn one idea into a polished, ready-to-post video in just a few hours. Step 3. Post consistently on social media. The more you post, the higher your chances of going viral. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts are ideal because their algorithms reward fresh, engaging content. Even if your first video doesn't explode, the next one might. Step 4. Monetize your videos. There are multiple ways to make money once your videos start getting views on YouTube or TikTok. You can earn directly from ad revenue or by adding affiliate links to products you mention, earning a commission for every sale. Your videos can also act as traffic machines, sending viewers to your own store, course, or digital product. This business is perfect for beginners because no experience is needed. AI does most of the work. You can start with just a phone or laptop. Videos can go viral overnight, giving you instant exposure and earnings. It's highly scalable. One viral video can outperform hundreds of average ones. The most inspiring part? Even complete beginners with 0 followers have made hundreds to thousands of dollars in their first month just by posting AI-generated videos. The more you create, the faster you learn what works, and the more your income grows. In 2026, this is one of the fastest ways to start an online business, build valuable skills, and create income streams that keep paying while you move on to your next big idea. If you're ready to start, choose one idea that excites you the most, explore the tools mentioned, and take action. Start small, learn as you go, and scale when you're ready. If this video brought you value, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss strategies for making money with AI. Comment below and tell me which AI business you're starting first. I'm reading every one.